kitchen. Today I'm making this video during the holiday time, and I would like to wish everybody happy and safe holidays. Today I'm going to show you my recipe of Tom Yum soup. Let's start with Tom Yum stock first. We're going to bring it to boil and simmer it for 5 minutes to release all the flavor and then remove all of the aromatics. Tom Yum soup is hot, sour, spicy, and salty. All the flavor combined together to be a perfect soup. Here are ingredients for Tom Yum soup. You can adjust it to your taste. It can be cooked with all kinds of meat, but today I'm going to show you Tom Yum Goong, which is Tom Yum shrimp. It is the most popular among Thai people and fans of Thai food. I like shrimp with head and shell on because it will give you more shrimp flavor and it will make your soup delicious. Now it's time to add ingredients into the stock that we prepared earlier. Starting from red onion, tomato, and 4 smashed chili. We're going to bring it to boil again and add shrimp, sugar, salt, fish sauce, and Thai roasted chili paste. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the shrimp is cooked. When the shrimp is cooked, the color will change from clear color to a solid orange color. After shrimp and mushroom are cooked, turn off the stove right away because you don't want to overcook them. Add lemon or lime juice, taste it and adjust it per your taste. It's supposed to be hot, spicy, sour and salty. And at the end, add cilantro and we're done. There are 2 kinds of recipe of Tom Yum. One is clear soup, another one is creamy soup. The only difference is that on the creamy soup, we add the evaporated milk. Here is creamy Tom Yum soup. It is richer than the clear soup. Oil on the top is from the chili paste. If you want to cook it, here is the simple instruction. Tom Yum soup is normally served with jasmine rice, but you can also add cooked rice noodle into it. Tom Yum soup is very healthy. That's why it's very good on a cold day. However, in Thailand, we have it every day. And when we have it, we like it to be very hot. So it's always served in a flaming pot like this one. But if you don't have it, that's fine. You can serve it in a bowl like this one. It still tastes good. Here is all the ingredients. If you like to know how to prepare shrimp, please keep on watching. Option 1, leave shell on. First, we're going to cut the sharp points and the eyes off. Then we're going to cut it from the head down. After that, we're going to use the knife to devein it. Option 2, peel shell. We're going to peel it from the bottom and at the end of the tail, we're going to pinch it and pull it out. We're going to pinch it at the head and pull it out and clean the head at the bottom. The top part, the oily part, we will leave it because it makes the soup taste delicious. And now we're going to devein it. Thank you for watching. I hope that you will cook it at home and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.